晚上好. Okay. Did everybody practice the words that I sent?
Yes.
What is good morning?
早上好。
早上好。
How? Ay, ang gagaling. What is good evening? Hanggang morning lang
晚上
tayo.
好。
Na-stop yung mundo sa morning. Okay. So, 晚上好.
晚上好。
I think nabasa yung
晚上好。
早上, then inantok, natulog. Okay. Hata. So, the good morning is 早上好. How about good afternoon?
下午好。
Yes,
hao.
yeah.
早午
So,
好。
yes, di
下
ba?
午好。
Pagka afternoon, it's really hot. Kaya siya uhaw.
下午好。
Yeah, nauhaw na siya sa siya uhaw. Kasi mainit. Di ba?
Okay.
You can remember it. At least you memorize the siya una. Okay? How is good, ha? The word how, di ba? As you memorize, how is
How.
good.
Yes.
So what is the meaning of, what is the word morning?
早上。
早上. Okay? Yung how is good.
早上。
It is a greeting. 早上. And then siya, u, again, lumalabas yung W sounds nyo, ha? The u, there's no W sounds. Kasi the W and U is the same sound. Always
下
remember
午
that.
好。
Yes.
下午
It's the
好。
same as Y and I. E, di ba? E, kaya nga we don't have E kasi ang Y is the same as I. Siya, u, how. How
Fourth
about,
tone po ba tong how nung 下午好?
no, how? Bakit yun eh? Siya, u, how.
Ah,
What is the third?
mali, second tone pa rin po to yung,
Third tone yun. How?
ay third tone pala.
Okay.
Okay.
I put a correct tones naman, di ba? Okay. Tinype lang ni Lausher yun eh. The one that I sent. Okay, so what is good noon? Mm.
中午好.
中午好. See, you
中
know,
午好.
早午好。
you already know how to read. Very good. 很好. It's 中, di ba? 知. Kaya nga ZH, it sounds 知, 知, 吃, 知, 吃. Remember how with H is a circle mouth. 知, 吃, parang may R sounds. Pag walang H, open wide yung mouth. 知, Okay? Take effort na tandaan how to read the initial. Kasi initial naman ang pinakamahirap eh. Sa final, ang pinakamahirap, ayun, yung Y, yung mga Y nyo. Yun yung pinaka-hardest part. Pero for initial, yung difference ng sounding niya. Tuloy. So, 中午好. How about, again, so, good morning.
早上好.
早上好。
Okay, good evening.
晚上好。晚上好。
很好, very good. 很好, diba? Very, tapos good, 很好. And then good noon.
中午好。
中午
好。
Ilabas pa rin yung
中午
u.
好。
U is also third tone, ha? 中午好.
中午好。
And then, good afternoon.
下午好。
Okay. Oh, ba't napunta sa Wan Shanghao? Good afternoon.
下午好。
Okay. How about good morning, but start with 8 a.m.?
上午好。
Shang Uhao. So if you can see now, we have two good morning, two kinds of good morning. 早上好 is the early morning, and then 上午好 is the morning that start at 8. Yeah. So tutuusin, may ganun talaga siya. That's the correct one. Pero sometimes ginagawa na nilang isa eh. It can be 早上好 for the whole morning na. Mga ganun. Pero that's the correct one dapat. Then if you can see, the 上午, the morning, the 上午, diba? We have 上午, the good morning that it start with 8 a.m. and then 下午. Again, what is 下午again?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. This is the opposite. Antonym sila. Kasi di ba, 上午 is umaga, then 下午 is afternoon. Magkabaliktad sila. Tuy-butoy. Then if you can see this one, the word 上 at saka the word 下, opposite din yan. If you can see,
Yung pagkakasulat po ba?
not only pagkakasulat, the meaning is also opposite. Bakit? Ang sang means up. Ang siya means down. Kaya nga pababa eh. Okay? So, siyang, just to think ang every words that you are learning, every vocabulary words that you are learning, there's a meaning also solo-solo. So, pag next time magaling ka na sa mga vocabulary words, you can check kung ano yung mga solo meaning. Like, 上午, 下午. 上 solo can be the meaning of up. 下 solo character can be the meaning of down.
Yeah.
See? Diba? So, may mga ganong instances na kahit iba meaning, then pag magkahiwalay na sila, iba din yung meaning. So, tama? Para maging mas broad yung vocabulary nyo. And then the u usually means noon. No? Usually, ang u means noon. So, tama?
Noon
So,
po? Noon?
Noon. As in literal good noon. Na afternoon.
Okay.
So, again this is easy kasi eh. Siyang is up. Siya is down. Para at least you know, siyang, you will encounter it always eh. Yung mga siyang saka siya. Okay? Siyang is up. Yung solo lang character. Like you learned, di ba? What is tingwon? Oh, who remember what is tingwon?
Excuse me. May I ask?
May I ask? Di ba? Kapag
Ting.
nag-solo si Ting, naging anong meaning?
Please or invite.
Di ba? Magkaiba na siya. It is differ in meanings. Sometimes it is the same. Sometimes meron siyang other usage. If you can see, if they are together, may I ask or excuse me. Pero pag nag-solo na siya, pwede na siya maging please or invite. So, sample. If I said, Anna, I invite you. So, what will be the sentence in Chinese?
你请我
I, what is I?
我
我
O, invite.
我
你magkasama sa I. 我请
Yes,
Ni.
我请你.
我请
Yes.
你
Yes. I invite you. Then if you learn na places na, you can continue at the places. Ganun siya. Or I treat. By the way the thing is also can be a treat.
trip.
Pwede kang ilibre. Kasi usually if you are the one who invite, ikaw magbabayad, di ba? Kaya it depends Ingat-ingatan ng word na ting. Magbabayad ka. Okay?
Ano
If
po
you say
pag Meeting mo. Baliktad.
Meeting
Wala
mo,
pong ganun.
pwede. You invite me or you treat me. So it
Ayun
depends
po
kung
yun.
stop. Oo.
Yun kasi yung
Pwede,
parang
libre
naisip
mo
ko din na.
ko. If you say, ilibre mo ko, ni Ching wo, ilibre kita, wo Ching ni. Pwede siya, ha? So, tama? The Ching can also be please. Kunyari, if you already learn the word chu, sige, I teach you na. The chu is eat. Kain.
Chiffon.
Sure.
Yes, in the word chu fan. Kasi fan is the word meal. Diba? Ayan, may mga solo
Sure.
meaning yan, ha? Together, chu fan. Kain.
Sure.
Kasi the fun is meal. The fun can be meal. It can be sometimes
Rice.
pwede rice, kanin. So it depends kung pinag-uusapan nyo. The word fun can be meal, can be food, can be kain. Kain tuloy kanin. Okay? So if I said, please eat, how will you say it?
Ching.
Shing. Fan? Ay. Shing
Chiffon.
Shing.
Ting chu or ting
Shing
fan.
Shi?
Yes, ting chu,
Fan.
please eat. Diba? So it can also be
Ching.
please.
Ching. Ching.
Ting chu,
Shing
diba?
Shi.
Add the chu.
Shing Shi.
Yes. Chu, chu with F yan.
Shi.
Sure. Ching
Yes.
sure.
So,
Like
Shing Shi.
and.
ganun din kadami ang usage ng qi. You can, next time if you already learned the sit, upo. Please have a seat. Qing zuo. Please stand up. Yung mga ganon. So, again, the qing can be please, can be invite, and can also be treat. Pag nililibre mo isang tao, you can use the qing din. Okay?
Ginagamit po ba nila yan to anyone? Like, kahit mas bata or mas matanda?
Wala siyang pinipiling kung ano. Basta qing is
Wala.
medyo mas it is a literally using of qing. Kumbaga, mas polite.
Common.
Like please have some, diba? Please have some this one. Please have a seat. Okay. Literally using please. Kaya nga
So
if
parang
you say,
po pala siya na ano. Ay, sorry po. Parang po pala siya na yung literal din na meaning ng please sa English. Kasi di ba pag sa ibang language, parang meron silang for seniority purposes na mga ano.
Yes. Literal meaning please. Kaya nga if you say qing wen, you are asking someone with a polite way. Kumbaga, inistorbo mo siya. Kaya parang papasok siya sa word na excuse me. Bakit pasok siya sa word na excuse me? Parang inistorbo muna siya. Pwede ako magtanong. Kaya tinawag siya qing wen. Okay? By the way, you can cut me anytime, ha? Don't say sorry. Okay? You can cut me anytime. Kasi, like, if may question ka in that part, huwag nyo nang pahabain pa na nasa malayo na si Lausher. No? Ang layo na nilangoy ni Lausher, saka kababalik ko sa una. Okay? So, you can cut me anytime. Kasi mamaya out of topic na, saka you will ask that part. Okay?
Okay,
It's
may
okay.
question po ako.
Sige, go.
Yung Ching po kasi, please and invite, so parang different meaning siya. Ano po yun? It depends po sa tone or talagang same tone, please invite ang meaning niya?
Anong same, different tone, yung character in Chinese?
Yung, di ba yung Ching, yung parang pakulot, Ching, please and invite, pero different meaning yung please and invite. So, nagbabago po ba yung tone? Pareho lang.
Yes. It depends on the character or words. Kasi there's a word, I give you an answer. It's a good question kasi baka malito kayo. For this one, literally kasi siya na iisa ang character, iisa ang tones, iisa ang pinyin, but a lot of meaning. Okay? Pero we will encounter in the future a word like iisa ang character, but different in tones and different in meaning. Maraming ganun ang Chinese.
Sige po. Thank you, Lao Shi. Xie.
Like this one, pay. Saka pay. Sample to ha. If you can see, the character is only one, but ang pinyin niya, dalawa. So it depends pa. No? The character is
Okay.
only one, pinyin this is the same. The fourth tone is literally meaning back. Yung likod mo, your back. It's the part of your body, back. What is the tones? Fourth tone, pay.
Okay.
Pero,
Napakanabayad.
yes. Pag ano daw yun, first tone, the first tone is the action word.
Pay.
Pay. What action for the pay? Yung parang you put someone or you put something in your back.
Parang piggyback ganun.
Yes. Parang pinasan mo siya sa likod. Yun yung pay. Kaya nga, if you say, pay, para makikita rin yung character. If you say pay pao, pao kasi is something, mga bag. As in literal bag, mga school bag, pouch, iba-iba tawag doon. If you say pay pao, it is a backpack.
Backpack.
Kasi ang pay, it's the things that you put in your back. Kaya di siya tinawag na backpack. So as you can, magkaibang tones, magkaibang meaning. Sometimes
Yes.
naman, you will encounter also same tones, same pinyin, different character naman. Diba? Kaya ganun ka-confusing ang Chinese. Chutama, kaya I really want all of you to perfect your tones.
How?
How? That's the reason
Yeah.
why. Kaya naman ang gaganda ng tones. Not, it's hard, but all of the tones, kayang i-adjust. Like at first, I am hearing Anna Rose hirap na hirap, pero nung nag-sentence siya, nagulat ako. Okay yung mga tones niya. So it depends. Meron nagbabasa ng solo, mali-mali, pero pagdating ng sentence, it's good. Meron naman opposite direction. So if you having a hard time, always read. Take time to read, ha? Okay. How to?
How?
来，谢谢。OK， 我们来开始 ，Let's start 啦。This is the time that you will, read not me na ha. Okay, Jean and Yani, 可以吗？ Jean, you will be 马克 ，Yani, you will be 王玉。Read muna.
你好。
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 请问你叫什么名字？
我叫王宇。你呢？
你呢？
你呢？
Okay.
Next.
我叫马克。
马克
Letter
E
马克。我叫马克。认识你很高兴。与小姐。
对不起，
No B
我
sounds.
姓王。对不起，我姓王。
OK， 对不起，我姓王。好的，谢谢。来，Clarice and Eponine. Clarice, you will be 马克。
OK， 老师。你好。
你好。
请问你叫什么名字？
我叫王玉，你呢？
Next. 我叫马克 Mark Johnson，认识你，很高兴。于小姐，
玉小姐，
于小姐，
对不起，我姓王。
我姓王。
我姓王。
好的，谢谢。This one is reading part na ha. Then later, I will let you talk to each other with your own name, ha? Play Anna Rose kan Marjorie? 好的 Marjorie? Mark.
Yes, I'm here. I'm Mark. All right. 你好，
你好，
请问你叫什么名字？
我叫王宇，你呢？
我
Okay.
叫马克，认识你很高兴。很认识你很高兴，于小姐。
对不起，我姓王。
我姓王，用动词。我姓王。
我姓王。
OK， 好的。来。OK. Again ha. Yung hen na, hen. No, Marjorie, hen. Remember, always remember the letter E. Baka maging manok na yan, hen na labas niyan.
Okay.
Hen. Sige. I cannot see the name kasi. Okay. Lai, toyo lama. Okay, okay na. Lai, let's try ha. So, after reading, na-analyze naman what it is saying. So, what is the first? What is the first part?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, di ba? Then the first
Hello.
question.
May I ask, what is your name?
Yes. Ask what is your name, and then how to answer?
I am.
I am Wong Yu. And you?
Yes, I am Wang Yu, and you. So this Jiao can be am, but it also the meaning, di ba? Ang talagang meaning niya is to be called. Kung ano gustong itawag sa'yo. Right? The Jiao is also can be an action word na kapag may tinatawag kang tao. Kunyari, Marjorie is upstairs. Pabababain mo si Marjorie. So, ni Jiao, Marjorie.
So parang come here po yun, no?
Yes. Parang it's an action word din na tatawagin mo siya. Or sisigawan mo na lang.
Jiao.
Okay. No? Jiao. So, that's the usage of jiao. Then, I will give you also the literal na am din. The word shi. But it is our next
Shi.
naman. Shi. Diba?
Shi.
The meaning of shi. These are, take note. Take a note. The meaning of shi is am, is, are. It can be a yes. It can be also be. Ganun kadami ang meaning ng shi. Kaya nga, diba, if you can see, mas marinig mo shi. Shi, shi to. How to, yung mga ganun. Kasi the shi has a lot of meaning. Pag if you say, ni, shi, what will be the meaning?
You are?
Pwedeng you are. Diba? Kasi the shi can be are. Diba? Ganun siya ka. So take note of the meaning of shi, ha?
Shi.
It can be, if you say, 我是 Jean, what will be the meaning?
I am. 我是
G. Diba? Ganun siya. So it can be is, it can be are. So it depends on what is the sentence. Okay? How to?
How?
Then, so Nina and you, di ba tinanong niya, and you, or how about you? Hmm.
我找
So,
I am.
I am Mark.
yes, pwede ka sumagot ng 我叫 or 我是. No? So, the same
我
question,
是
你叫什么名字? Then what is the next that Maka said?
Ayan yung
I discussed
happy
that
to
in
know you
Abi
something.
for Hmm?
Happy to know you
Get to
something.
know you. Get to
Yeah,
know
very,
you.
very glad to
Very
know.
happy. Very
Happy to know you. Glad to
Yes.
know you.
Kayo na bahala kung gusto nyo happy or glad.
Mhm.
Okay? Basta it is a very glad to know you. I said, who remember what I said yesterday? Now, anong sentence pa ang pwedeng gamitin dyan? It can be 认识
Ay, yung
你很
baliktad.
Yes. Meron siya yung literal translate na very
很
glad.
高兴认识你.
Yes, very
Huh.
good.
Huh.
So just take effort, no? If you are really learning, focus kayo, mare-remember mo what I said, no? So, pwede siyang baliktad. 很高兴认识你. Pwede rin 认识你很高兴. So, tama? Okay. Again, that is very. Then this one is Yu Xiaojie, like Miss Yu. Then let us know. Let us check. Bakit siya nag-tuy putsi here?
Nag-sorry
Si-
siya.
Yes, bakit siya nag-sorry? Is there an idea?
Mm.
Ano yung sing?
Surname was sorry, my last name is Wang. Wang, yeah.
Yes,
Sorry, my
sorry.
last name.
Name is Wang. Bakit? Ano ba sinabi ni Mac?
You.
Yes, kasi ang
yung
sabi
first name lang.
You showed it.
Yu Xiaojie instead of dapat
Ah, wow. Okay.
yes, very good. Ang gagaling niya. Uwian na tayo. Okay. So, that's how you analyze it. Chutama, bakit siya nag-sorry? Kasi instead of Wang Xiaojie, ang correct way of addressing her, Yu Xiaojie ang nagamit ni Mac. Bakit dapat Wang Xiaojie?
Kasi yung apelido yung ano sa kanila.
Yes. So in Asian, no, Asian countries,
Mhm.
usually address natin sa tao is using their surname.
Surname.
Like Mr. Tan, di ba?
Yeah.
Miss Wang. Yun. Parang respect.
Pwede po bang mag-interchange sa kanila yung ano, yung Xiaojie o as in, dapat una talaga yung last name bago yung parang Miss or Mister.
Yes, they're
Like
always
Miss
the last. Baliktad siya.
Ano po?
Sa different way. Other way around. So, ang English natin, Mr., Miss, or Mrs. ang nauna.
Mhm.
Sa kanila is nauna yung surname bago yung mga Mr.
Yung address.
That
Okay.
will be our last discussion sa last lesson na to. But it's good na na-mention mo siya. Napansin mo siya.
Okay.
So again, how to know the name? The name in Chinese is always meron 2-character word, may 3-character word. There's also until 4-character word. Okay? Then remember, the first one is always the surname. But in 4-character words, sometimes they have the surname of 2-character word. Kasi sometimes ang 4-character word is translated ni surname din yun. Minsan parang galing sa Western type na ginawang Chinese. Kaya nagiging 4. Okay? So again, most it's in the first character word, but in 4-character word, may time na, o mostly, dalawa ang surname. 2-character ang surname niya. Okay? So, like sample, kay Lao Shi, my name, 我的名字, 我的名字, my name. Diba? 我 is I, me, or my. Pwede rin. Kasi we will learn the word 的, the next na yun. As in literal next na. 的 is the possessive. I-explain ko yan. So, 我的名字叫李Xin Er in Chinese. So, if you can see, Li Xin Er, which one is my last name? 我姓什么? Yung 姓ko, 姓什么? What will be my last name?
Li.
Li. Yes, my last name will be Li, and my name is
Xin Er.
yes. And then remember,
Xin Er.
they don't have middle name.
Kaya
nga karamihan ang birth certificate nila, hindi optional ang middle. They don't have a middle name. Pwedeng hindi lagyan, di ba? Kaya nagiging optional ang how to. So I think wala pala time mag-practice ng. Sige, we will practice this one directly tomorrow.星期一 on Monday. Using your own name na ha. Like, 你叫什么名字? 我叫. Then, 你呢? Pakilala kayo. Okay? So, we can go to here. Memorize again ha, yung mga breakfast, lunch, dinner. Hindi pa natin na-discuss yan ha. Okay. I'll discuss this one lang. Eto, nandito na yung shirt. I already discussed that. Then, start writing this one, the vocabulary words. And then, try to read this part. Practice reading this part. First, practice your pronunciation. Second, after reading, analyze what it is saying. Okay? And then, these are the questions on that part. Try to i-analyze muna by your own kung ano yung sinasabi and what it is asking. Then we will discuss that on Monday. If all goods na, tuloy-tuloy na tayo niyan. How? Kasi I think yung tones nyo mo okay na siya. So, tama? We just use this week para ma-perfect yung tones nyo eh. Then magtutuloy-tuloy na tayo. How ta? Okay. So, take time to practice and memorize all the vocabulary words. Pwede nyo nang talunan and read this part, ha? Ito yung tanong ni Jean eh. Yung part ng baliktad ba ang Mr. or Miss and Mrs. Ayan na. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. 明天见. 明天 is tomorrow. See you on Monday. 星期一见. 再见. Happy weekend.
谢谢老师。
Weekend po.
谢谢老师。
晚安。